known for its mesmerizing natural beauty and green hills. This time we are not here only to enjoy the natural beauty because we are going to celebrate Nandan's birthday. Explored the local transport from Kochi to Munnar, and we reached to Munnar at a very low price by taking the local bus. So finally we reached the hotel where we will be staying for 2 nights. A quick room tour.
जा रहे हैं जीप सफारी के लिए।
जी सर।
We decided to explore the southern part of Munnar, so now we are going to Ripple Waterfalls.
रास्ता में क्या क्या है आपको मैं फर्स्ट पूछेगा, क्या क्या चाहिए मैंने बोलो और उठेगा। अभी नेक्स्ट
ये कौन सा प्लांट है?
नीलगिरी।
अच्छा।
The soil of Nilgiri is very rich, and that's why here you will find so many tea plantation, coffee plantation and other medicinal plants. So our guide randomly plucked some lemongrass for us and it was very nice.
Lemongrass.
Nice.
Nice. Now we are heading to Ripple Waterfalls.
We found so many cashew plants here, and Nandan was saying that during his childhood he used to have those fruits and those were very juicy and very tasty.
मुझे बहुत सारे काजू के पेड़ दिख रहा है.
Our next destination is Ponmudi Dam, and Bollywood movie Chennai Express was filmed near this area. Arrived on a random hilltop and spent rest of the evening here. The Panoramic Getaway is a very beautiful resort in Munnar and we really enjoyed our stay here. It has so much to offer. It has swimming pool, like an infinite pool you will find on the terrace. It has so many balconies, so many areas. There is a bonfire and also there is a spa and added restaurant over here. So we really enjoyed our stay. Munnar is an important hub of tea cultivation in India with vast tea plantations. Has several wildlife sanctuaries that showcase the diverse and rich wildlife of the area. So now we are heading towards Eravikulam National Park, which is home to the endangered Nilgiri Tahr, a special kind of deer you can say, or maybe goat. It's a popular wildlife attraction in this area. We were lucky enough to see this Nilgiri Tahr. They are very rare species and the most interesting fact is they are the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Also in Eravikulam National Park, you will find Anamudi Peak, which is not only the highest peak of Kerala, but it is the highest peak of South India. We decided to visit Kathakali dance theatre in Munnar, which is once in a lifetime experience. art form which was originated over 300 years ago. Come to an end and we decided to visit couple of tea estates while returning to hotel. Here in Munnar you will find many tea estates owned by Tata Group and the tea is of very rich quality. Days were definitely not sufficient to cover all the places in Munnar, so we wish to come here again. We would highly recommend if you are planning for Munnar trip, so plan for at least 3 to 4 days. And last but not the least, if you are a chocolate lover, please do try the hot chocolate here. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like our video and do not forget to subscribe.